Hello, my sewing friends. I have fabric to show you. Woohoo! I'm Jen and this is my sewing room and I got fabric. I don't often get fabric, so, well, I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't know. Anyway, I got new fabric. Let me show you. First off, I went down to my local quilt shop and I went in because I needed to have some scissors sharpened. And so when I went to pick them up, I got some fabrics and I mainly got stuff to make a little purse that I'm going to do. It's called the Versatile Wave Purse. And so I got this little frogs and I've cut it out already. That's why you just see a little piece. And this, I love that. And then those will be the pockets that you see on the outside, and this is the base. I just love these colors, and I think, you know what, I don't care if they don't go with everything. Actually, the outside here is reversible, so I'll be able to go from this to this as I like. And I can even find more fabrics that go with this that I like, that I can make more reversible parts too. So I love that about that purse. I mean, I just think it's just such a great design. Some better views of it. Well, while I was in there, of course, I had to walk around and I went over, they actually have a clearance section. So I found a few things and it's all cotton. This is interesting. It feels like it's not. It's 100% cotton, and I can tell that, but it feels like file, F-A-I-L-L-E. It's a polyester or synthetic or silk fabric that has a specific weave. This feels like that. It's got that finish to it. I think it's just the finish on it, but look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I know it's 100% cotton. It's just cotton. It's just cotton, but it has just a slick feel to it. Interesting. It's not a soft feel, but it's slick. So I wonder what'll happen with this in the washing machine if I will wash all that sizing out. That's probably what it is sizing. But oh, I love these colors, the pink and the coral, and it's kind of orangey. Yeah, love that. And this says Peggy Davis for QT fabrics. So that's always, I like that. When you go to a quilt shop and you buy quilt fabric, then they usually will tell you, you know, who designed it and who the manufacturer was. So that's going in the washer. And this one is so soft. This feels like rayon, and of course it's not. It's 100% cotton. It won't feel like this once it comes out of the washer and dryer, but oh, it feels like that now. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's just so pretty. So pretty. I love it. I got 3 yards of each of these. And this one is Trellis by, is it Carter West? I can't really read this, but Clothworks is the manufacturer. So you all can have a look and see what you think. Beautiful. Oh, this is gonna make something so pretty. And I have a lot of it, so that's wonderful. I just got home from Hobby Lobby. I went in to get some cord, which they don't carry the drapery cord. I need to make some piping. They don't carry that cord like for blinds and stuff anymore. Used to come in a box, you buy it by the yard. I don't know why they don't carry it anymore. They have a lot of upholstery fabric and drapery, so I don't get it. But anyway, they had this, so that'll have to do. But of course, fabric was 40% off. So I went, you know, I just kind of browsed through and I was looking specifically for rayon because I thought if you've got rayon, okay, then I'll go for the rayon. This is made by Fabric Merchants. Anyway, it's cherries. It's white with cherries. I think this is probably fairly sheer, so whatever I make, which I got 4 yards, so it'll probably be a dress of some sort. Actually, I have a dress in mind for this. and it is this new look pattern. it's kind of fabric hungry, and I think that this will work nicely for it. And if not that, then there's another Laura Ashley wrap dress that I may see if this will fit, and I like if there's enough of it, because that's also a very fabric hungry dress. But this is 60 wide, so you know, that makes a difference. But you can see it's fairly sheer. Yeah, see, you can see, hello. Yeah, see when I put it by, yeah, see there, you can really see it. So, you know, okay, then I'll line it, whatever, I don't care. But it was a good deal. So anyway, 4 yards of that for something beautiful. I forgot to show you this when I got home from the Sewing Expo in March. What is that, like 2 months ago? Golly, boy, time flies. This is the Ruby Starr Society. It's 100% cotton made in Japan. I think I got 3 yards maybe. And it says Reverie by Melody Miller of Miss Melody Miller. Now, Ruby Starr, I had Christine from Christine Sews a Lot with me at the time, and she said, oh yeah, that's a good brand. So you might really like that. So I got this. I think it's daffodils. You gardening experts will have to tell me. I think it is. But oh, I loved all the colors. I'm on a coral kick again. I don't know what happened. There for a while I was on, I don't know, turquoise or some other color. I don't know what it was, but periwinkle blue, that's what it was. So maybe I'll go back to that after I get over my coral, you know, obsession. So we'll see. Now this was just on my front porch, just like 20 minutes ago. And so I wanted to unbox it. And it came from a company called Trendtex. They are in Hawaii. I ordered fabric from Hawaii Fabric Mart. I ordered one piece of rayon. And it got caught in the mail, like one of the mail machines ripped it up and sent it back to them. And they said, we are so sorry, but we don't have any more of this fabric. And the post office ate it, basically. So would you like to order something else? And I said, no, I'll just go shopping. Go ahead and refund it. So they did. And I found another piece of beautiful fabric. It wasn't the one that I wanted, but it was close. So I ordered that, and I got an email and they said, no, sorry, we no longer have that fabric. And I thought, well, I'm getting discouraged here. I love your rayon. So there's another company in Hawaii that I don't know. I think they may manufacture fabric, and they also sell it online. I don't know if they have a brick and mortar shop. I don't know anything about them, but I'll put whatever I can find here on the screen. But at this other place, Trendtex, I got a couple of pieces of rayon. So let's have a look, shall we? I got 3 yards. I'm pretty sure 3 yards of each one. Always be careful when you're doing this that you don't cut the fabric. Those are paper scissors, so I doubt they'd probably chew through it. Okay, yeah, I got 3 yards of each one. Oh my God, these are so gorgeous. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh. Okay, here's the first one. Let's see. This says, yes, they do manufacture the fabric. Trendtex Fabrics. Look at this. Oh, glorious tropical prints. Oh, look at these colors. Oh, I am in love. The way that the pink just kind of pops out with all this blue and green. Oh, yes. And it feels so nice. Then I got 3 yards. So this is going to make something gorgeous. I just know it. I was in the mood for some tropical prints. So, oh, that feels good. And then the other one is this. These colors are less vibrant than I thought they would be, but that's okay because they're more of a red or a pink, purpley pink than a coral. But you know, I'm not unhappy about it. Yeah, I think this is not what I thought it was, but that's okay. I think it still is beautiful. So, yes. Oh, I love these rayons. They're just gorgeous. And if I remember correctly, The ones that I ordered from Hawaii Fabric Mart may have been manufactured by this company, so I don't know, but so pretty. So that's my fabric haul. Not too much, but boy, some real gems in there. I just can't wait to get to sewing on some of those. So as always, if you would like to see a playlist of all of my fabric hauls, yes, check right over here. And I'm going to leave you with one of my little prayer cards. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. Matthew 21:22. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.